In this video we will explain step-by-step manufacturing process of chewing gum. Chewing gum dates back to the ancient Greeks who chewed resin from trees. Modern chewing gum was first made in the US in 1869 by dentist Thomas Bramwell Welch. In 1928 another American invented bubblegum. Bubblegum comes in balls of all shapes and sizes, but for blowing bubbles nothing beats the chewy gooey pink stuff found in the warm folds of a bubblegum wrapper. It all starts with a gum base, the stuff that makes gum chewy. The base is synthetic, made from plastics, rubbers and sometimes tar. Chemicals such as wax or resin are poured over the base to help the nodules bond together. As the materials begin mixing, they pour in hot glue to coat the gum solution. For teeth whitening gums such as this, batch fluoride is added and the mixture is blended for about 16 times. The heat from the old machinery causes steam which heats up the mixture and blends everything together. The mixture condenses for a few hours until semi-solid. After that it rotates for a few more hours to gain consistency. After 20 minutes the mixture is ready. They transfer it by cart to a machine called the Play-Doh shape and create activity playset, which transforms the big bulky wad into thin strips. The square strips are then forced into a star-shaped hole, proving physics wrong, and then move on to be cut. Gum runs itself through a series of motors which connect to a turbine that power the building's air conditioning. However, the gum's lack of tensile strength means the factory stays at a comfortable 117 degrees Fahrenheit. Rollers take the gum to the cutting and wrapping station where one machine performs both actions at super high speeds. Finally, the wrapped bubble gum moves to be filled into buckets. Here's an interesting piece of trivia. Have you ever wondered why most bubblegum is pink? Let me know in the comments section if you know the answer. If you found this video informative, do support us by subscribing our channel. Suggestions and feedbacks are big welcome.